what's up guys? कैसे हो? Elanaru, hope everyone is doing great. I'm gonna become fat now. I'm gonna add some grams in my body. Pooja is making once again some amazing stuff. Monsoon special it seems. Look at the deep fried stuff.
It's not deep fried, it's shallow fried.
Shallow fried. What is the difference between both?
Deep is you keep frying it for a long time. Shallow is like halka.
Deep is basically the pakodi goes deep into the oil,
And
proper
olive oil.
swimming. This is on the
Olive
pan.
oil. And on olive oil for you.
That on olive oil
No,
it
use
seems.
karai but...
Oil is oil, bro.
Okay, bro.
It is for mom and dad, not for me.
No, it's for you, but especially for mom. She loves this.
I think I'll have one. Anyways, I have to have my carbs today. I do not have. Having my protein shake along with little bit of this. Do you know how many grams of carbs are there in this?
Oh, stop it.
Happy birthday to
I logged out early for this. I hope my boss is not listening or we dead.
Boss, listen up.
No, I'm kidding. I did my
She logged
shift.
out early.
I
Time
know.
is what? 6 o'clock?
By
हो
the
गया.
way, it's 6 o'clock.
6:10 now, so
they're
officially you
working
can
very
log
hard.
out. No
Yeah,
problem.
yeah. Officially 5, I log in at 9. Okay, my husband will clean. Come.
This is the problem, you know. Unboxing is easy, and then packing up everything, all the junk and all that, you know that, right? It is difficult. Same thing with cooking. Making it is kind of nice. You have a cooking passion and all that, you'll enjoy it. But then after that, post cooking, you'll have all this junk to clean up. All this pura stuff ko clean karna. You need to do a lot of cleaning on this. You need to clean the plates. Eating is the easiest part. Making is easy.
Who said making is easy? You make from tomorrow.
Making is easy as in
No,
you
no, you
enjoy.
make.
No, you enjoy doing it, right? But the easiest part of all of this is eating.
Yeah, obviously, which you will do.
Eating and rating. You know what? Actually, today only I started my strict diet. Yesterday also I followed my very strict diet. That was day 1. Today is day 2. Day 2, Pooja gave me this. How? When will I reach my goal? When will I get the ripped six pack? Main thing is weather, dude. It's amazing. Actually, it is heavily raining, like proper. This is the kind of rain I wanted, so that it cools down a bit, dude. Perfect. Okay, test number 1.
Onions, aloo.
Aloo. You said aloo. Did you say aloo?
Yes, I did little.
Oh
But
shit.
it's boiled, it's not fried.
Boiled aloo तो क्या है? Fried aloo तो क्या है?
चल रे, जा.
Okay. Oh, very nice. 9.5 out of 10.
Why 0.5 निकाला?
There's always scope for improvement.
एक बार.
Very nice.
ना तो तेरे से.
Nisha, wait. See what we got for you. See, Nisha, what did we get for you? Got a gift for you, Nisha. You know what is it? Nisha, do gussa.
गुस्सा नहीं है वो. नशु आने कैसे गुस्सा करती है? आने कैसे गुस्सा करती है? ऐसे करती है गुस्सा आनी.
She's become
Very naughty.
very naughty and very intelligent.
Extremely.
Super smart. Like next level smart.
आजकल सारे kids ऐसे हैं.
Like for example, play a song. YouTube में play a song. Now the most interesting part is she knows how to control the volume, dude. Nisha, volume लगाओ.
नशु वॉल्यूम कम करो.
Sound.
Very
Very
good,
good.
Nishu. You're such a cool kid.
Half लगाओ. Half volume.
Whoa.
Enough. Very good. See, exactly
Nishu,
half
can you
volume.
play that video? Hi, good morning.
Play gallery
that
से video. Gallery से play a video.
Nishu, वो वाला मम्मा का. Hi, good
She opened a
morning.
gallery.
Play that video quickly, mama ka.
And
Okay.
she knows exactly which,
Where it is. Even I
what
don't
we are
know.
asking. Very good.
Wait. See, very good.
This is good morning.
Yeah, this is
Okay,
good.
what is the other one?
The party video.
Party
Nishu,
video.
Party video लगाओ. Yash, come on, Yash. Play that video. Play that video. Come on, Yash. Ta na 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 na. Play that. Where is that video?
Seriously?
Play that video. Ta 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 na. Yes. Wait. It's a video. Oh, Nishu, very good.
So much.
Give me a 5. You're so cool. You're so. Give me a punch.
so
Give me a punch.
intelligent.
Very good.
Very intelligent, nice. Nice to reduce the sound. Reduce the sound.
इंटेलिजेंट तो पक्का माँ पे गई है, तेरे पे नहीं.
You see that?
It's a video. Not a photo.
Reducing the sound. Seriously, this is too much. She knows which video is in what folder.
Yeah, even
Now she's playing from the gallery, right? You tell her YouTube, she'll play that. Nice to play YouTube. Play YouTube. Okay, exit.
Woo! Good
Too
job.
much. You're too much. Yes, Naishu. All that is nice, but we have to go to school now. बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया तो intelligent.
वो घर पे ही है स्कूल अभी कोरोना में कहाँ?
అది వేరే విషయం కానీ. Naishu, see, you become so intelligent, so we got you a gift. Okay.
Yeah,
So this is a gift.
see what we got for you. Want to open it? You are the unboxing king, so you open.
I'm the unboxing king, but reboxing तू कर लो बाद में, because बहुत छत्ता आएगा बाहर.
Unboxing सुना है, reboxing भी होता है.
Reboxing as in, I mean cleaning. You have any knife, spoon, fork?
मैं बोली ना. She's watching spaghetti का video. By the way, Naisha also loves Italian like her mommy. Yeah, Naishu. She loves cake. She loves pizza. She loves.
You mean I married Italian?
Just because you like Italian doesn't mean I become Italian. But yeah, I like Italian cuisine a lot. There's something about the cheese. Wait, Naishu, say cheese. Say cheese. Cheese.
I think another 2-3 months she'll start talking. We can't stop her then.
She's slowly trying to talk nowadays. So, hey, you do Papa. Blade.
Arey, you know only to cut vegetables.
Hey, Naishu, get up.
Okay, we are hyping it too much, but it's a simple toy.
Yeah.
What will kids need?
जो तेरा है वो मेरा है. हाँ? मेरे को मेरा है वो तेरा नहीं है. Kidding. That was a joke, dude.
Nice to see. Nice to forget the phone now. Come, new gift. So basically these are numbers. As you can see, these are some shapes. Basically a learning toy.
Wait.
Nice to see.
Naishu, you put the shapes, okay? Naishu, square. You play this game right on Papa's tab, the same thing. Square डालो.
Papa's tab नहीं है, उसका है iPad. She uses it the most.
Very
Very
good.
good.
Put it back. Your heart. No. See properly.
She'll understand. She'll figure it out. Just like her father.
Oh, please. Father
Why
takes-
please?
Father takes forever.
You act as if I'm a dumb guy.
I know, sit
Super intelligent. Sriman Kotaru.
Super intelligent.
Motivator. Influencer. YouTuber.
So YouTuber है तो intelligent है क्या?
हाँ क्यों नहीं? हम तो intelligent YouTuber है. I don't know about others.
Oh, this is called self. तेरे पापा को देखना है, self praise.
It is important to self praise. If you yourself don't praise yourself, who is gonna praise you?
Then when I self
Even if you're a dumb guy, you need to praise yourself so that others feel you're intelligent. Almost done.
These kids nowadays won't leave the phone and that's so irritating.
Parents are with phones all the time. Our work depends on a phone, laptop, and all this. What else can we do other than that in terms of work? So when we do that, kids see parents, and obviously they also get inspired. They also want their phone.
What?
In fact, Naisha, she keeps acting like Pooja.
Yeah, when I work on my laptop, she keeps doing this.
Not only that, the phone. ऐसे
Whenever
dummy phone पकड़ के hello.
Yeah, so I have my morning calls where
So the only way kids will stop using phones is when parents stop using phones. At
No,
least in
that's-
front of them, which is impossible. Alright, now time to do some modification on my dabbas. I'm talking about my panniers. In my previous video where I showcased the aluminum panniers and the top box, I told you guys that I wanted to wrap them either with matte black or some wraps. But I've decided not to wrap them with matte black because that's too plain. Tiger though, it was a dark horse, which means it is a black color. Uske upar matte black panniers and top box would look good. But my GS is a unique color. It's got this HP color, a special edition color. I think black would look nice, but I thought we'll add some color onto it, and that is the reason I spoke to one company called Pathfinder Soul Designs. They're a Greece-based company. I found them on Instagram and I really like their designs. So I spoke to them and checked with them if they can send me some beautiful wraps for my panniers and my top box. And they were ready for it. So I've already unboxed it because I couldn't wait. Here is the box. Literally, abhi to khali hai. This is literally coming from Greece. There is one of our panniers. Already started wrapping them. The top box and left or right, I think left pannier. I've wrapped them and they look beautiful. I'll show it to you once I start wrapping this last one. Once I finish this total set, I'll show it together. They look amazing. It was definitely difficult to do it. By the way, this is a wrap. This is the wrap. As you can see, there is a nice world map on it. I hope we do world trips and all, I'm not sure, but it should match my bike. And I can already see it matches my bike beautifully. Mainly the problem is basically this whole thing will wrap around the box like that. Not like piece by piece, literally one whole thing. So need to align this rivet hole over this and properly align it here, somehow it is not happening. I mean, it is not aligning. One side if it is aligning properly, the other side it is not. It is very complicated. You need a proper heat gun. You need to spray water, do all that kind of stuff, which is definitely complicated. For me, it is taking a lot of my time. You have to have a lot of patience, but I enjoy doing all this anyways. From 6 o'clock onwards, we have to be at home. We can't go out. So 6 to 10 almost, I spent like 4 hours doing those boxes. Now I became a kind of a little pro. I'm not sure how many of you guys are interested in doing a wrap on your own boxes. Step number 1, clean. And it's always recommended to start with the top. It's not recommended, that's what I recommend. Because once you finish the lid, you'll get some confidence. Now the toughest part would be these. Getting the wrap around this inside, that's going to be complicated. But then it's all about interest. If you're interested, if you have that liking towards doing such DIY stuff, no issues. You know, the major problem with this is you need to align this properly over here, but when you do this one side, the other side somehow it is not getting aligned. But that's okay. In case this doesn't work out, simply tear it off. But that's not happening because I did a pretty good job here. Very nice quality, dude. The feel of this wrap is definitely very nice. Nice satin finish, smooth feel. One of the most important tools you need to wrap is a credit card. So that is finally done. Not the entire box, but yes. That is the top part. Took me around 15 or 20 minutes. First box when I did it took me at least half an hour, 45 minutes. But a hand is now free and I got used to it. And I remember at least this one is like proper pre-cut. But when I did the wrap for the tiger, I got a complete sheet just on Amazon. And I took measurements of the top box, the shape of it, every angle. I had to cut it and then I applied it. Somehow I felt that was easier to do. I don't know why. Okay, now the final part of it, this final wrap I need to put. This is going to be a little bit tricky compared to the rest of the boxes because all the other boxes were proper squares and all that. Not much definition, not much angles in it. But this particular one, which sits on the exhaust side, that has a shape and it's got a lot of components there. So getting the wrap around there is going to be kind of tricky. See, getting the wrap around this, that's definitely going to be tricky. Okay, finally done after almost I think 1 hour. Beach make 45 minutes. I had a call with my friends. We were planning on our trip and all that. That is the reason my climb gear, everything is outside. By the way, you can almost see it. They look nice, right? Let me show it to you guys properly in 120 FPS shots coming up in 3, 2. Looks so beautiful. So basically me and Chaitanya literally took 2 complete days to decide on what wraps to go with or what color. I wanted something dark because already the bike is so huge and now putting all this luggage system is definitely going to make it much larger. And if you put bright colors, it's going to look like a proper lorry. There is a HP here. There is the Adventure here. There's a nice beautiful GS logo on the top of the panniers, both the panniers and HP logo on the top box. Once again, we are ready to rock. 4 of us mostly decided on this huge trip. And by the way, someone told me I can take a vaccine now. I also consulted one of our doctors. So most probably I'm planning to get vaccinated this week, the first dose. I actually wanted to put these on the bike and show it to you, but maybe I'll do that in the next vlog because our time is literally 1 o'clock in the midnight. And next vlog or maybe after that I'll put it on the bike and show it to you. I'm pretty sure you people will be stunned. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you guys did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe. I'm not just saying it just for the sake of it. And do hit the like button. Like I always say, that's like a good job pat on me. So then I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care.